Solo, also known as Surakarta, is a city in central Java, Indonesia. It covers a 44 square kilometre area and as of 2016 had 557,606 registered residents. Solo has earned recognition as a home for persons with disabilities. The local government is active in providing and improving accessibility for persons with disabilities, which is also exemplified in the city regulations. The city also has a very dynamic collaboration with civil society organizations to make sure the city life is inclusive and of equal enjoyment for all. In 2017, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, alongside Kota, started a pilot activity on participatory data collection to find out about the number of and life conditions of the persons with disabilities in Solo.
Sudah baik, insya Allah dalam pelaksanaan nanti di lapangan Anda akan juga baik adanya.
The information acquired from these activities will be used as an advocacy tool to improve the implementation of local laws and regulations. The citywide data collection was done by 32 volunteers who conducted a door-to-door survey using a technology-based application. This participatory data collection method at the neighbourhood level aimed to improve accuracy and clarify the discrepancy between different datasets. It also better illustrated the current conditions for persons with disability. The data collected included the types of disabilities, access to educational facilities, jobs and basic service facilities, access to public spaces, and to their political rights. The data determined that 1,167 persons with disabilities live in Solo. And mapped their concentration across 5 districts and 51 neighbourhoods. The data was collected and uploaded online for analysis by the Kota team. In an ongoing process, the data was organized and turned into information that is easy to digest, supported with visual representation. The information was then communicated to the people of Solo, including the persons with disabilities.
Tujuan dari diskusi ini adalah menggali permasalahan-permasalahan yang ada, terutama terkait dengan difabel dan akses mereka kepada pelayanan publik.
This was followed up with focus group discussions, each with a different theme and audience, which included city stakeholders working to advocate human rights and inclusivity. These stakeholders include representatives from the government, responsible divisions, civil society organizations, and medical institutions. The final result of this process is a report that provides useful information about the conditions and experiences of persons with disabilities in Solo, Indonesia. It aims to help the local government and other stakeholders better develop and implement disability-inclusive regulations and policy. The Solo experience will also set a good example for similar activities in other cities across Indonesia.